Hello everyone, welcome back to I'm Archie, and today this is the placement series where we talk about the placements of various colleges. So if you're aiming for certain colleges, it's very important, to know the latest report of placements, where they stand exactly. It is very important to know the latest trends that they are following by the functions, what exactly, you're aiming for. So for example, if you're aiming for marketing, so that colleges is that college doing good in the marketing function area? So that's the reason the placement statistics is very important. And let's just get into the video. So today we have Indian Institute of Management, Raipur. I am Raipur with the placement reports. Just giving you some of the highlights for the placement reports of I am right for the batch of 2021. The average salary for 2021 batch stood at 15 lakhs per annum, wherein 140 plus company participated. The big names such as Accenture, Deloitte, QSI, HCL Technology, Hero MotoCorp, IBM, etc. were participated. Like, we will see the detailed report of who all actually participated in the placement process. So we also have this past 5-year trend for the IIM Raipur, wherein 2017 se leke 2021 tak we have the statistic reports of the average, current and highest salary, wherein interestingly, the pandemic was in opposite direction, because in 2020 the highest salary for the IIM Raipur was 46 lakhs per annum, and the average salary continued to increase in the past year. So we we have highest salary this year is 30 lakh per annum, and the average stood at 15.11 lakh per annum. So let's just get into the video and see the detailed report of IIM Raipur placements. This is the highlights which we actually saw. Let's look at the class profile. The education background we have is 82% of the class were engineers, 3% were from science background, and 8% were from commerce accounting background, and 2% were from arts. Professional experience, talking about 0 to 11 months of experience, were 33% of the batch were having, 12 to 23 months for 15% of the batch were having, and 24 to 35 months, only 33% of the batch were having this experience. The average experience for the batch was 22 months, and the average age of the class was 25.3 years. Now, the gender diversity stood at 15% female, and male were 85%. Now, this is some of the highlights. Students registered were 245 students registered for the placements. Company participated 140 plus, and placed through campus were 245. So they had 100 plus in placement reports, 60 plus were the new recruiter this year for IIM Raipur. Highest domestic C2C went up to 30 lakhs per annum, wherein last year it was 46 lakhs per annum. Average CTC for top 25% of the batch were 20 lakh per annum. Class average stood at 15.11 lakh per annum. Class median was 14.80 lakh per annum, and the average CTC was 18.53 lakh per annum. This was for top 50% of the batch. Now, let's just look at placement by industries. So 18% batch for BFSI, and 14% batch got into strategy and consulting. 37% of the batch got into IT and ITES. 16% batch got into others, such as hospitality, etc., educational, and this all sector. Okay. 10% batch got into manufacturing, and 5% of them got into FMCG. Strategy and consulting, the highest salary was 19.60 lakhs per annum, where the average was 18.42. Manufacturing, highest was 18.40. BFSI, 27 lakh per annum was the highest, and IT, where 28 lakh was the highest. And one of the educational or hospitality, some of this other background, some of them got highest of 30 lakhs per annum. FMCG got 18.40 lakhs per annum highest. Now let's just see what all the functions and the roles of the was that are offered in the placement process of batch 2021. Now, 34% got into sales and marketing role, 22% got into analytics and consulting, 10% got into financial management, and 22% got into operations and IT. 12% got into general management. These are some of the statistic report of function wise highest in average, wherein sales and marketing role got the highest CTC, that is 30 lakhs per annum. A financial management then got 27 lakhs per annum, wherein analytics and consulting got 28 lakhs per annum. The general management got 12 average, and the sales and marketing got 13 lakh per annum average. So if you're aiming any of one of this role, then you should just look around the placement statistics and make a decision likewise, which college to go with. This was the 5-year trend analytics as we discussed in the start of the video. This was the selected recruiters that recruited from IIM Raipur for the batch of 2021. And these are some of the companies that participated, wherein they got 40 plus new, 60 plus actually new company recruitment, and 140 recruiters for the batch of 2021. So that's it for the statistics placement reports of IIM Raipur. If you have any questions, do let us know. If you're studying in IIM Raipur, do let us know which all functions or what all is your view on the placement reports of the batch 2021. And yes, that's it. If you want any us to make video on any specific topic, do let us know in the comments below. We would be happy to help. And have a good day. Thank you.